In this video, you'll learn how to use customer management tools to connect and build relationships with your customers. Once you've set up your site, go to your dashboard and click Customer Management under Ascend Business Tools. In the Customer Management home, you can quickly access all the tools you need to communicate, build relationships, and manage your business. You can also see a list of all these tools on your sidebar. Let's click on Inbox to get started. Here you can manage all the messages you get from chat, forms, and Facebook Messenger if you choose to connect it. You can also send emails by linking your Gmail account. Also, you can make sales directly through your inbox. Here's an example. Sharon wants to buy a new racket. You can send the product she's looking for and offer her a coupon. Then she can go straight to checkout from the conversation. By clicking on her name, you can open her contact card to see and update info, manage tasks, and add notes. Next up is Contact List, where you can keep track of everyone who interacts with your business. A new contact is automatically created every time a visitor does something on your site, like filling in a form or booking an appointment. You can import your contacts from Gmail or a CSV file, and then sort and filter them with specific labels. These will be helpful when you create mailing lists for your email marketing campaigns. Click on View Contact to access more detailed info, including a full log of all their activity within your site. Now let's take a look at form submissions. Every time you add a form to your site, a submission table is automatically added here. You can view and sort the data you collect from the forms in these tables. Let's click View Table to take a peek at the submissions for contact form. Here, you can filter details, change which fields are visible, and even import or export submissions with CSV files. On to automations, where you can create automated responses to site actions, like sending a thank you email to customers when they make a purchase on your site. It's a great tool for saving time. Add automations to workflows to help you track and prioritize tasks. Here, you can manage sales leads, site members, to-do lists, and more. Take a look at this sales flow, where you can see exactly where customers are in their purchasing journey. Each workflow is made up of steps and cards. You can customize individual workflows to fit your business needs by adding new steps and moving cards. Now on to tasks and reminders, aka your digital to-do list. Simply click New Task, write a reminder. Then you can sign it to a contributor on your team, set a due date, and link it to a contact if you need. In the Members area, your site members have their own account, giving them a more personal experience with rewards and exclusive access. Here you can see a list of your current members, manage permissions, and more. The last few tools can be found by going back to your dashboard home and clicking Finances. From here, let's check out price quotes. You can create, manage, and send branded quotes to potential clients. Once you've created one, you can edit, print, save, or send it. After a client presses accept, you can convert that quote directly to an invoice. That leads us to invoices, which you can create from a quote or individually. Send one or recurring payments to clients to get paid. Here, you can see an overview of all your invoices, and you can click on them to get a closer look. Here, you have financial integrations that help you keep all your accounting in one place. The tools are based on location, so select the country you run your business from and go from there. That's it. Now you're ready to turn your site visitors into customers with your built-in suite of Ascend business tools. With Ascend, you can drive more traffic to your site, increase customer engagement, and manage your business efficiently right from your Wix site. To complete your end-to-end business solution, check out Ascend's marketing and SEO tools.